Welcome to the System Design Series. Today we are going to delve into the critical topic of disaster recovery, which is all about planning for and recovering from system failures. It's an essential aspect of ensuring business continuity and minimizing downtime. So, what exactly is disaster recovery? In essence, it's a comprehensive strategy designed to quickly restore critical business operations after unexpected system failures or disasters. The goal is to minimize the impact of disruptions and ensure business continuity by rapidly recovering from any event that could interrupt normal operations. Disasters can be broadly classified into two main categories: natural disasters and human-caused incidents. Natural disasters include events like earthquakes, floods, fires, and power outages. On the other hand, human-caused disasters encompass cyber attacks, hardware failures, software bugs, and human errors. When it comes to disaster recovery, two key metrics come into play: recovery time objective, or RTO, and recovery point objective, or RPO. RTO refers to the maximum acceptable downtime before a business impact becomes unacceptable. RPO, on the other hand, denotes the maximum acceptable data loss, measured in time. Backup strategies are crucial for disaster recovery. There are generally three main types of backups: full backups, incremental backups, and differential backups. A full backup involves creating a complete copy of all data at a specific point in time. An incremental backup only backs up the changes made since the last backup, be it a full or an incremental backup. Finally, a differential backup backs up all the changes made since the last full backup. A highly recommended best practice for data backup is the 3-2-1 rule. This rule suggests keeping 3 copies of important data on 2 different storage media with 1 copy stored offsite. This approach ensures that data is protected against various types of failures and disasters. There are 3 primary types of disaster recovery sites, each offering varying levels of readiness and recovery times. A hot site is a fully operational backup facility with real-time data replication, allowing for recovery times of minutes to hours. A warm site is a partially equipped facility with some systems already in place, providing recovery times of hours to days. Lastly, a cold site is a basic facility with only power and connectivity, requiring more time to set up and recover, typically taking days to weeks. A well-structured disaster recovery plan consists of 2 critical phases: the planning phase and the execution phase. During the planning phase, activities such as risk assessment, business impact analysis, identification of critical systems, and development of recovery procedures are carried out. The execution phase involves assembling an incident response team, establishing a communication plan, conducting testing and validation, and ensuring regular updates to the plan. Cloud-based disaster recovery solutions offer several key benefits, making them an attractive option for many organizations. These benefits include scalable infrastructure, cost-effective solutions, geographic distribution, and automated failover capabilities. Cloud solutions provide flexibility, resilience, and efficiency in disaster recovery efforts. Testing and maintenance are integral to ensuring the effectiveness of a disaster recovery plan. Regular testing involves validating disaster recovery procedures through simulated disasters and recovery exercises, with quarterly tests being a good starting point. Additionally, plan updates are essential to keep disaster recovery plans current with system changes and lessons learned, emphasizing the need for continuous updates. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.